Need to use noise cancellation with just one AirPod in your ear? This video will show you how. Whether you're in a situation where you need to stay aware of your surroundings or simply want to multitask, using only one AirPod with noise cancellation can be super helpful. It lets you block out unwanted noise while staying alert to what's around you. Let's dive into how to set it up. Open Settings. Now make sure you are connected to AirPods. If you are, then the AirPods will show up right in your Settings main menu. So if it shows up, scroll down a bit and tap Accessibility. Now scroll down to the Accessories section. There will be an AirPods option available here now. Tap on it. Then on the Noise Control section, you'll see the option of Noise Cancellation with one AirPod. Simply toggle it on. Now you can use just one side of your AirPod to access the noise cancellation feature. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.